Hello students, today we are going to learn linkers. In this linkers, we are going to learn about its definition and what are the types includes in these linkers and also why we use these linkers. Let's go into the sessions in detail. Definition. Linkers are words that relate one idea or sentence of the text with another. They connect the ideas logically. Here, please observe this definition again. They mention one idea or sentence of the text with another. Means here in this linkers, where we use these linkers, both sentences or both ideas will be there. And these both sentences or both ideas will connect logically. After the definition, we see why do we use linkers. Linking words help you carry over from one sentence to another, from one paragraph to another, in a way that allows the reader to better understanding your ideas. Note that connecting words and phrases are aids to writing, not ends in themselves. Therefore, they should not be used more. Let's check some examples. Please keep the definition in your mind. Let's see some examples here. I want cookies, but we have brownies. Second one, cookies and brownies are yummy. Pritika was hungry, so she ate some fruits. Joy wants to go to Golden Beach because it's beautiful. Did you remember the definition? You can see here two sentences or two ideas are linked with some word. In the first sentence, you can observe but. In the second sentence, and. In the third sentence, so. And the fourth sentence, because. Let's see what are the types involved in these linkers. Types of linkers. Here I am giving basic linkers. They are addition, contrast, consequence, reason. From the types of linkers, first one is addition. Its definition is joining two equally important things. Here in this addition, we are taking and as a linker. Let's see some examples. With the examples, we can explain definition. The same examples I have taken here. You can observe the yellow tick mark. Cookies and brownies are yummy. Cookies and brownies are yummy. Now go to the definition. By looking at this example, we can understand the definition very easily. We'll see that joining two equally important things. Here the cookies and brownies are given equal importance. So here and is used as a linker. Let's see some more examples in addition. In the first sentence, I like coffee and tea. Next one, my hobbies are dancing and singing. Next one, Dharani won first prizes in Kabaddi and Kho-Kho. Please remember the definition and see. In the addition definition, they mentioned that equally importance. Here, in the first sentence, coffee and tea given equal importance. In the second sentence, dancing and singing given equal importance, and in the third sentence also Kabaddi and Kho are given equal importance. After finishing the addition, the second one is contrast. Here is the definition for the contrast. Sometimes we want to link two ideas that are different from each other. For example, one positive idea and one negative idea. We want to link one idea to another one, which is surprising or unexpected. So, we are using but as a linker in this contrast. When we are using this but, the first sentence is maybe positive and the second sentence is maybe negative, or it will be reverse in another sentence. Let's see some examples which already we saw before. Just check that yellow tick mark. I want cookies, but we have brownies. In the first sentence, what they want mention. In the second sentence, what they have mentioned. These two sentences are linked with the word but. Let's see some examples based on this contrast. The car is very good, but quite expensive. I like the movie, but the music is very bad. The waterfalls are beautiful, but we should walk a lot. I want to go to the party, but I'm tired. Just remember the definition. In the definition, they mentioned one positive thought and one negative thought. You can observe those positive thought and a negative thought in only one sentence, which is divided by our linker but. Next we see consequence. Let us check the definition. Something that happens or follows as a result of a particular action or a situation. In this consequence, we are taking so as a linker. Let's see the same examples here. Observe the yellow tick mark sentence. In that, Pritika was hungry, so she ate some fruits. In this sentence, first part of the sentence is Pritika was hungry. That is a situation. Based on this situation, the second part of the sentence was done. Pritika was hungry. She ate some fruits. These two sentences are linked with word so. In the first part of the sentence is a situation and the second part of the sentence is a result. Here are some examples. In the first sentence, it is raining outside, so don't go out. Here, in the first sentence, the first part of the sentence shows us the situation outside. So, based on that situation, the result, don't go out. It is raining outside, so don't go out. It is a consequence linker, so is used for the meaningful sentence. In the second one, I will set alarm clock so that I won't wake up late. In the third sentence, I know you must be tired, so take rest. And the next one is a reason. When we use because, we are focusing on the reason. Here the linker because is used. Let's see the previous sentences again. Go to the tick mark sentence. Joy wants to go to Golden Beach because it's beautiful. Here, Joy decided to go to the Golden Beach. Here the reason is the Golden Beach is beautiful. Because of that reason, Joy wants to go to the Golden Beach. Let's see some examples based on this reason linker. She spoke quietly because she was at funeral. Pritika bought a surprise gift to her dad because she loves her dad a lot. Joy became an engineer because he likes mathematics. After completing the types of linkers, let's check some examples here. I want cookies, but we have brownies. It's a contrast linker. In the second sentence, cookies and brownies are yummy. It's an additional linker. Kritika was hungry, so she ate some fruits. Consequence linker. And the last one, Joy wants to go to Golden Beach because it's beautiful. It's a reason linker. After finishing basic linkers, here we are discussing about additional linkers. These linkers are from our textbook. Linkers mentioned. First one moreover, second as well as, third besides, fourth not only that, fifth not only but also. In additional linkers, first one is moreover. Let's see the definition. We use moreover to introduce a piece of information that adds to or supports the previous statement. For example, there was a man immediately behind her. Moreover, he was observing her strangely. And the second sentence, it is a dull place during mid-year vacations and moreover a hard one. Here in these two sentences, they are giving some more information about the situation or about the person. The second one is as well as. Let's see the definition. As well as is an expression used on grammar to say not only but also. You are adding more information to an already known fact or a piece of information. Here the definition itself says that here we are giving some more information to already known fact. Let's see some examples. I know you as well as your brother. He could be thoughtful as well as charming. After as well as, we have besides. Let's see its definition. Besides is a linker that means in addition to or apart from. It can also serve as an adverb that means furthermore or another thing. Let's check the example. She has no friends beside me. Besides teaching English, she writes novels. Then, not only that, this is where it gets a little more interesting. We can leave out also when the sentence sounds natural without it. We can use not only that at the beginning of the clause. Here see, when we use in the beginning of the clause, it creates some interest in our mind. Here one more condition. We use not only that to link to words or phrases that refers to things, actions or situation. For example, not only that did Joy start playing piano before he could speak. Here you can see before starting speaking, Joy started playing piano. Let us move to the next one. Not only but also. See the definition. When using not only but also in a sentence, parallelism should be the goal. Parallelism means here both should be in an equal position. Used for emphasizing the fact that there is something more to add. Let's see with the examples. They not only have two houses in Mumbai, but also one in Hyderabad. Here you can see the parallelism, means they have houses in Mumbai and also in Hyderabad. In the second sentence, he is not only poor but also unemployed. In the third sentence, she not only sings but also dances perfectly. You can observe this sentence. She not only sings but also dances perfectly. Means she can sing perfectly, at the same time she can dance perfectly. So these both are parallel here. Now we'll have a basic linkers test. Choose appropriate linkers. Pritika is clever, dash, intelligent girl in the class. Joy went to market to get vegetables, dash, he got pizza. Prasanna works very hard, dash, he got the promotion. She paid her friend's school fee, dash, she was rich. Sushma is taller in her class, dash, she is short in her home. She is planting tomatoes, dash, strawberries. He found his shoes, dash, he cannot find his socks. I can clear the table, dash, I cannot clean the floor. I wear a hat, dash, my head will be safe from sun. I like to play, dash, it is cold. Let's check the key. Based on the key, cross-check your answers. You can see the answers here. Please cross-check once. If anything wrong, go to your types of linkers and check the definition and also the examples. You can get a perfect idea about it. And here some more sentences. Just check the answers with the key and learn these things perfectly. Here is your additional linkers test. Choose the linkers from the given words. Moreover, as well as, besides, not only, but also. We celebrate main festivals, dash, the regional festivals. Dash, we have jataras. She, dash, sings, dash, dances perfectly. She knows 500 words, dash, numerous proper nouns. We speak English, dash, Spanish. I don't want to go, dash, I am tired. The old report is badly written, dash, it is inaccurate. He plays football, dash, basketball. Raju works, dash, careless dash hasty. The car looked good dash the price was right. Here is your key. Go through it. With the help of the key, here I gave the same sentences with answers. Let's see. Please go with the sentences. Cross-check your answers with these sentences. Still, if you get any doubts, go through the explanations, definitions, and also with the examples. Maybe you will get clarity about your doubts. Hope you understand this session. Thank you. This is presented by Priyadarshini.